In this video, we'll dive into how to book flights using Navan and why this software can be a game changer for your travel booking process. Whether you're booking a flight for business or personal reasons, Navan simplifies the experience and gives you the tools to save both time and money. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive offer that you can take advantage of to use Navan for free with additional bonuses. Navan is a powerful travel management platform that helps you easily book flights, hotels, and more. What sets Navan apart is its focus on user experience and efficiency. You can quickly search and book flights from a range of airlines and travel providers, all in one place. First things first, let's walk through the flight booking process. Once you're logged into your Navan account, the homepage shows a simple interface where you can choose your departure and destination cities. The platform offers a fast search feature, so you don't waste time sifting through unnecessary options. Simply input your travel dates, and Navan will provide a list of flights from multiple airlines. The great thing about using Navan is that it doesn't just pull results from one source. It aggregates flight data from various carriers and travel websites, ensuring you have a wide selection of flight options at competitive prices all in one place. You'll also find filters to narrow down your choices, such as direct flights only, preferred airlines, or specific flight times, making it easier to find what best fits your schedule. What's more, Navan integrates seamlessly with other travel tools, so you can manage your entire trip through a single platform. Once you've selected your flight, the next step is to choose any add-ons, such as seat selection, baggage, or meal preferences. This functionality is intuitive, and you can finalize your booking with just a few clicks. Now, for those of you who want to save time and get more personalized recommendations, Navan also provides smart travel suggestions based on your previous bookings or preferences. If you have certain airlines or travel routes you often use, Navan will remember this and automatically display options that match your profile. If you're someone who travels for business, Navan makes managing corporate bookings a breeze. The software allows you to set up travel policies for your organization and ensure that everyone follows the guidelines, whether it's related to budget limits or preferred vendors. It can even offer cost-saving insights based on your team's travel habits. Here's the best part. You can use Navan completely for free through the first link below. By signing up, you'll get an exclusive bonus offer that unlocks an extended trial, so you can explore all the premium features without any commitment. So, whether you're a frequent traveler looking for a simpler way to book your flights or a business professional trying to streamline your company's travel arrangements, Navan has something for everyone. Don't forget to grab that exclusive offer through the link below and get your hands on this tool for free with added bonuses. To wrap up, Navan takes the hassle out of booking flights by giving you all the tools you need in one platform. Take advantage of the free trial and explore the convenience and efficiency that Navan can offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the link in the description to start your free trial now.